The latest nuclear submarine had just arrived at its designated location when the crew picked up a distress signal from the missing Siren 1 sub, coming from nearly 27,000 feet below the surface. Upon hearing this, the captain ordered the crew to report the findings to command and immediately began a rapid descent. Minutes later, the sub reached the ocean floor, but what they found was shocking. The area was covered in seaweed. The onboard biologist was baffled. At such extreme depths, there's no sunlight. Photosynthesis shouldn't be possible. How could these plants grow? To investigate, he asked the captain for samples. Just then, sonar detected a metallic object nearby. A diver was dispatched to collect seaweed samples and inspect the metal debris. What seemed like a routine mission ended in tragedy. After placing the seaweed into a net dropped by a fellow crew member, the diver swam toward the metal object. Upon seeing the markings, he confirmed it was the wreckage of Siren 1. He began snapping photo after photo with an underwater camera. But perhaps the camera's flash disturbed something, because out of nowhere, a massive octopus appeared and launched an attack. The diver's vital signs plummeted rapidly under the relentless assault. He struggled feebly, as if battling an invisible force. In the end, he couldn't fend off the attack and was killed. Back on the sub, the crew was horrified, but they still didn't know what had happened below. The captain ordered them to report the diver's death and continue searching for the Siren 1 black box. They followed the signal to a deep-sea trench. But just as the sub moved forward, sonar picked up something unexpected. An unidentified object was closing in fast. The captain quickly ordered the infrared detector activated. What appeared on the screen stunned them. A creature several times larger than the submarine, now charging straight at them.